Hey, yeah. So how did I get started in this career? I started as a vertical gardener after I did a degree in environmental studies. So 2013 I graduated with an environmental studies degree, and through that degree I kept seeing these overlaps between sustainability and gardening. Gardening in your own home and looking after the plants, understanding the plants in your own home ecosystem is like a really great place to start when thinking about how to become more sustainable. Well, I reckon that horticulture is going to be one of the most important skill sets of our future, and it may be very underappreciated at this time, but I think the best way is just to immerse yourself in plants. So people who are interested in see the value in horticulture firstly, because more and more people are going to be looking to horticulturists in the same way that people look to doctors, and I reckon horticulture is on the same level of importance. Looking after plants, having the skills to look after and understand how plants operate and work, and being able to play a role in supporting plant health. First of all, see yourself on that level of importance. That's how important I see the horticultural skill is. And immerse yourself in the world of horticulture. Grow as many plants as you can. Surround yourself by plants in every part of your home. And then I think the career will unfold in front of you. Like, just get out, talk to people, and network with people, and get into a field of horticulture, because there's so many aspects to it that really fires you up. Whether it's, I love vertical gardens, so I've focused my skill set around vertical gardening, and I love growing food, so I do a lot of vertical farming, and I think that's how to get started.